Skater again, and I'm back, and I've been playing with my new bird banter. Oh, this is just the cutest little thing you've ever seen. I can't say I've had any of these birds, but I used to have an African grey. It doesn't look like that, but loved him. He was great, but he argued too much with the fella, so we had to get rid. They can live to be 90 years old in the domestics as well. So, these are the card pieces I'm using. I'll show you my card. Isn't that cute? Just the cutest thing. A little bird told me it was your birthday. When we open up. Still suspiciously young looking, I see. As if like banter will keep you going then. Happy birthday. I love the colours I've chosen. I wasn't too fussed on the brown, so I might swap the colours up anyway, but isn't that just a gorgeous thing? I've done loads of fun fold cards, you know I have. You could also have it running this way, it depends. I just thought that way was cute. Love it. So, let's get going. Oh, and I pinched the happy birthday from here, which is the birthday wit, is what we used last night. So, your pieces are, you don't have to put designer series paper on it. I just thought it would jazz it up a bit. But I love this, whole lot of lovely, really pretty. So, your card pieces are your base. You can choose any colour you want. This is 4 1/8 by 11. This way we get 2 cards to each piece of paper. This one is 3 1/8 by 10. Designer series paper is 3 7/8 by 5 1/4, and 2 pieces. Doesn't matter that they're going in the opposite direction. I don't mind that at all. These 2 pieces are 2 1/4 by 3 7/8, and the whisper white pieces are. You'll need 2 at 2 1/4 by 2 7/8, and 1 at 2 7/8 by 4 1/4. So not a lot of cards really, but plenty of fun with those little birdies. So I'm going to get my scoreboard out, and we're just going to score them both exactly the same: 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. 2 3/4, 5 1/2, or you could just fold them in half and then pull one flat back. It's entirely up to you. It depends on which way you want your creases. So 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Simple. That's it. So this is going this way. So we're going to fold and fold back. With this one, you couldn't do that. You could with this one, but not this one. I'm going to burnish our score lines. And that's going to be the front of our card. And this is the front and this is the back. So we're going to fold, making sure the edges stay together, nice and crisp. And then we're going to fold this piece back onto itself. This is the one you could have folded in half and then fold back on itself. So our card is going to sit like this. She says when she can. Ta 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 ta. I might even change the scenery to have it this way, actually. Ooh, just to show you the 2 ends. So my designer series papers go in here, here, and on the back. And you could have any size or any side you want. I'm going to have one that way. I'm going to have this middle one going this way. I'm going to have that piece going that way. On this one, I'm going to be totally different than anybody else. So let's get these put in, because this piece doesn't have to have anything done to it. And it's not going to get much pulling around, so you don't need loads of glue on the back, unless you want to. But that piece isn't going to get pulled around like the others. Perfect. Same with this one and the other one. It's these you want to adhere down perfectly. So, like I say, you don't even have to use designer series paper if you don't want to. I just thought it added a little bit of oof off the page. So now this one is going on the front. That's it. Now you can pop that to one side until you're ready. And this, you don't need this yet. We're going to do the colouring first and the stamping. So now, yeah, I think I will change my card layout. So they're going like that. That's going like that. So I'm going to have my happy birthday there, which I'm going to do this time. I'll stick to the colour. I like this colour because it's in with the designer series paper. This is why I used the happy birthday in pool party and the crushed curry, because they're in the writing, because they're the colours that are in the designer series paper. And I think that looks cute, really cute. So we can still get our happy birthday in. Beautiful. And we're going to use our crushed curry next. I used my blends because I love them, but you can use your watercolour pencils, you could use your aqua brush, your blends, entirely up to you. So I'm going to get this beautiful, lovely, gorgeous, I love this colour, and I'm going to pop this right up the top here. Still surprisingly young looking, I see. And then this one, I heard a little birdie said it was your birthday. I'm going to pop that down this side this time. Perfect. Perfect. So those are colours out the way for now, until we get to colouring our beautiful birds and flowers and other little things we've got involved. So coming in with my tuxedo black, because I may be using my blends again. I'm going to pop on this lovely little branch. Love it. Right here. And I love the photopolymer. You can see right through them. It's fantastic. Beautiful and crisp. Fetch my parrot in, the big one. I've used all my blocks up, look. They're getting stinking because it's not the right size block. Ooh, is it his tail now? Oh, I can't. Yeah, I can. It's just going to go over that little bit, but don't worry about that. You can still make out what it's going to say. My balloon. Oh, is this balloon going to go now? I'll get it in. You watch. And I'm going to put it on this side. Isn't that cute? I love that balloon. That balloon can be used on so many different cards. Fabulous. My lovely little budgie. He can have it in his claws. Love it. It looks like he's got the string in his mouth. It's the cutest thing ever. Oh, and on this piece, I'm going to pop some of that washi tape on. I got in the new Essentials pack. This is basic pack number 3, I think. This is number 4. I've got the pinks and I've got the blacks, so I've got them all now. I'm just going to pop some down in this, right along this edge. Hopefully it comes up so we can get it bang on. Oh, I'm so looking forward to April. It'll be before you know it. Just another little element to pull in. Isn't it cute? I'm going to make some washi tape holders. I saw Sam Hammond make some tootles. So I'm going to find a video. I'm going to make some. Lovely girl she is. Really nice. I met her in November. She's a pinky as well, and I'm a pinky. Look how cute that cockatoo is. It's just the sweetest thing ever. And his little charm. Perfect. Oh, I need my balloon again. And this is just going to go at the side here. Now, don't they stamp really well? One thing you love about Stampin' Up products, they're fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So I've got these I'm going to put this love heart here. Yeah, maybe one more because I had 3 on the other one. And here. And then on the other side, I've got this beautiful little flower. And I just want to pop that in there. Maybe have one on here as well. Oh, isn't that just the cutest? Isn't that just the cutest? Da 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 da. I've lost the trolley. I've lost my trolley pound. I'm going to pull this lovely little leaf from this corner. So it doesn't just look like one branch is involved. I'm going to stick another one down here as well. Isn't that cute? Love it. Oh my gosh, I am going to have so much fun with this set. Kids will love it. So now, are we going to have blends or are we going to have felt tip pens? Or are we going to have our markers? I might try my markers today. There are many marvellous markers. Perfection. This is a Sam Pootles idea as well. Keep all your markers in. Love it. Thank you, Sam. If you're watching. So I can pop these. I'm just going to move those out the way so I can keep an eye. And I've got Regals, Subtles, Brights, and the In Colours, and my essentials in there. Fabulous. So let's get to colouring. I want my Pool Party. Wow, got it straight away. Fabulous. This is the bit I love the most. Oh, I love the colouring in. Love it. Oh, I hope you're all having a lovely weekend. Lorraine, I have boxed. I got 2 massive boxes. And I've boxed and taped up 2 boxes. And they must weigh about 25 kilos each. With the cards, and I'm going to have to get them to you somehow soon, sweetheart, because, oh, I am never ever going to get them there otherwise. Gosh knows how much it's going to cost. But I'm sure we can get together and sort that out between us. Let me see what colour this is. Blushing Bride. Ooh, no. I know where my powder pink is. If it's not this one. No, Pink Pirouette. I know it's in my bottom drawer with my In Colours. There it is. This is our powder pink, which is also in with our, oh, what's it called? Designer Series paper. Mental mind block. I don't know if you can hear Mystery in the background. Oh, he's so funny. He gets so involved in that game. And these are giving a bit brighter of a colour because the blends are a little bit paler than this, I think. Because that is the same colour, believe it or not, as the blends. It may pale down a little bit after it's dried, but I don't mind that it's a little bit darker. Don't mind it in the slightest. I'm going to get some lovely little, I'm going to use my real red. This is real red. It certainly is. And I'm going to add just across the beak on these little birdies. My dad years ago used to have budgies, and he'd breed them out back. And he had loads and loads and loads of them. I'm going to do 3 shades of red. I'm going to go down now to, I'm trying to think, is this the rich, no, that's cherry cobbler, I don't want cherry cobbler. That is Cajun Craze, ugh, no. Let's try this one. Is that rich raspberry? That certainly is. And then I'm going to come down. I know this colour isn't in the designer series paper, but it's just for my little love hearts. It's so cute. Oh, I love them. I'm going to keep some out because I'm going to have now Melon Mambo, I think. I know that's not in there, but these love hearts need some love. But it works both ways, this card does. You could have even turned it round and I suppose have this. And then when you have that, but obviously your pictures would be the other way around. But opening it this way was just as much fun, I think. Oh, and lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So let's choose. I want a nice, nice yellow. I'm going to pick Daffodil Delight. My cockatoo's crown. Isn't that just so cute? And I put a little bit on the end of his tail and his wing. I love these animals, they're so cute. This one is going to have a yellow belly. Yellow belly. Oh, it's just so sweet. And we're going to have a pink one. So I'm going to use the pink pirouette because it's a little bit dark. And this one's going to have a pink belly. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, love it. And this one's going to have a pink top. So you can change any colour you want with these beautiful birds. They're so bright and colourful. Just the sweetest. Absolutely sweetest. So I'm going to choose, if I'm right, this is my pumpkin pie. It certainly is. And he's going to get a little orange beak. They all are. I'm going to give them all an orange beak. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's so sweet. Look how beautiful. I get too excited. Way too excited. So, oh, our flower now. What colour should we have our flower? What's this one? Rose red. How pretty. Oh, that is a lovely colour. Oh, I like that. Oh, this just oozes gorgeousness. I'm going to do the same with this one. That's sweet. Love it. Right, what colour shall we do our other little budgie? Now, oh, I know what. Tempting turquoise. Oh, yes. Blue and pink budgie. Oh, look at the colour. Oh, I wish they'd fetch the blends out in every single colour. That would be amazing. We'll have to protest till we get them all. Look how vibrant that is. Isn't that beautiful? Now we've got to work out our fella here. What are we going to do with him? Should we have him red? Yeah, why not? Let's have our macaw. The lovely real red. His tail. Oh, he's so cute. Do his crown as well. And I'm just coming round to there. And then I'm going to do his wing. And this like collar under his chin. My daughter's just been round, well, not so long back. She said, Mum, how do I work the lights? I said, well, you put them on, darling. She said, I put them on. She said, is that main beam? Or is that side lights? I said, you've got your main beam on, babe, but you're dazzling everyone. So she had to go and show her how to take the high beam off. Oh, bless the soul. And I've just spotted something on my bird I've missed. His little tail over there. Isn't that cute? And I'm going to go back to my pink. Just finish off this beautiful little bird's tail because it's hiding in the bushes. And what colour now? What colour now? I think we'll go with yellow on this beautiful bird here as well. How vibrant. Maybe even go to crushed curry, which is the same as our lettering. I love these markers. Yeah, that's a better colour. Slightly darker. Oh, it's amazing. And I go back to the paler. I might pick So Saffron, just to give him a little paler version on his face. Don't need it as dark as his body. That's it, perfect. Oh my word. We can start to build our card and put it together now. That is fabulous. I've forgotten where these colours go. I will find you. You're home. I know my crushed curry goes up here. There's a space for everything. And everything needs space, I say. And the mambo. And the rich rezo berry. There we go, they're all in their place now. Isn't that perfect? Right, we can fetch our card in now. And we can start adding our pieces. Oh my gosh, I love it. Perfect. Oh my word. Love this. I'm going to glue these in because these will... I ordered glue and then remembered that when I put the order in, the glue is on back order, so I got to wait. I got a little bit left. I love the Tombow. It's really good, strong adhesive. So, nice little border all the way round. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now for our second piece. Oops. How pretty and colourful is this card. That looks the cutest. These are going in the box, Lorraine, as well. Well, the new box likes to start. I do have a Hermes account and it's cheaper to send through them than the post office, so I will let you know, darling, how much it will cost to get them to you. And then you and your husband can take them to your charities and tell them more will be on the way. Oops, I just slanted that a little bit. Oh, come on. Oh, it's in. It's too late. It's tombowed in. Oh, look at that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my tearing tape all the way along the back and halfway on this one. Because that's how I kept my other card in. So I'm going to add 3 strips along here. And I'm going to add 3 strips here, but keep them pretty close together. Not too close, but not too wide either, because some of this card is hanging off the edge. I think that's about right. Perfect. Get my bone folder. And we're going to take these pieces off first. There we go. And grab our card. What we're going to do is going to make sure it's in the middle. And then when we pop this down, we will just fold the card and line it up that way. So now we can go ahead and take these pieces off. And then, because we know that is lined up and the sides are perfect, we just fold our card over and press. Rid of these papers. Whoops, I'm dropping everything. Look, can't keep anything in my hands. I'm hopeless. And there we have our card, which now opens this way. Oh, is that not just divine? So I have a few little rhinestones. I'm going to put one on this flower, one on this flower, and then I'm just going to pop one on the balloon. Look, I've got 4 left. Oh, that's fantastic. And if you wanted, we could also go in with our Winker Stella. Just to get our balloons. And a little glitter. Maybe this one too. I never did it on the other one, but I think I should have. Look how pretty. Some people will add glossy accents if you've got any. Leave it to dry overnight, and then balloons stand out 3D. And I think I've got glossy accents somewhere. I'll have to find them and see. always going right on one of Mysteries. And maybe these love hearts as well. Oh, perfect. I love it. Love it. Cleaned off my bristle. Absolutely perfect. I love that. So this one is the one we've just done and opens this way. And this is the one I did earlier. And he opens this way. I'm going to grab my Wink Stella quickly. With the blend, so you can add shade. I best clean that off. Don't want to mingle it into our other love hearts. And then we can do our balloon down here as well. Oh, I love it. Love it. So there we have it. There's the one that opened this way. Little bird told me it's your birthday. Still suspiciously young looking, I see. Happy birthday. This is the cutest thing ever. And then this one, which opens this way. Well, I hope you like them and you'll give them a go. I'm going to stamp my watermark now on the back. When I can get, well, I'll have to do it after because my stamps are being occupied in a minute. All of them. So I hope you like. Give me a thumbs up and a share. That'd be brilliant. And don't forget to press the subscribe button here in the corner and then the little bell that comes straight up. That way you'll be notified of all up and coming videos, which tends to be on a daily basis with me. And yeah, I hope you like. Anyway, till next time. Bye.